making your project more interactive with sound in visual code. In the Assemblr editor, you can add audio to make your project feel more interactive and engaging. You can choose Upload Audio to use your own audio file, or you can select an audio file from the library. After selecting an audio file, choose how you want to use it, BGM or SFX. BGM is used for background music that plays behind the scene. SFX is used for sound effects, such as sounds that play when users click an object or interact with your project. In this tutorial, we'll use audio as SFX. Start by adding the When Object Clicked block or another event block as the trigger. This tells Assemblr when the sound should play. Next, add the Set Media to Playing block. You can use this block to play, pause, or stop audio. Select the SFX audio you want to play. Turn on Loop if you want the sound effect to repeat continuously. Now, when you click the object, the sound effect will play.